Good morning everyone. Good evening everyone, sorry. My name is Nidhi. Today I am going to tell you a story. Its title is normal. Just like a normal story, honesty is the best policy. But the story is something different which will give you more entertainment in this session. Now I am going with this story that there was a king in Pratibandhapuram and he had a lots of dignity in his heart, and he feels very proud that he was the king of 77 villages, and he always said that I am the most richest and powerful king in this world, and nobody can debate with myself, and I can want everything in the world which exists because I am the richest king. I have lots of money, lots of gold, lots of everything. So one day his wife said to him that, My Majesty, there is another thing in this world that you can't buy by your money, by your gold. Then the king said, what is that? There is nothing in the world that I can't buy with my money. Because I am very powerful, I can buy anything for you, just tell me. I will do that for you. The queen said, no, the honesty is the greatest wealth in the world which is not buyable by anyone, because it is very precious thing. Nobody can buy honesty. The king said, there is lots of people who want to buy their honesty at a good price. But the queen also said that there is also so many people who did not want to sell their honesty, because this is not a small thing. There was a hard-working farmer in his village, and one day, early in the morning, he was run in the west side of that state. He was very hard-working. After hard-working all day long, he got some money and some food to eat, and there is no livelihood for this type of farmers because he was uneducated. After a long day hard working, one day he got a 1 rupee. Then that 1 rupee he buried under the ground for its safety. And when early in the morning the king wake up and went to his gallery, he saw that there was a farmer running very fast toward the west side. Then he said to his guards, just caught that farmer and took it to me. Then the soldiers said, yes, your majesty. Then after they took that farmer and then they reached in the mahal. After reached him, the king said, where are you going in very hurry? What is in that side? The farmer said, there is an important thing which I buried under the garden. The king said, what is that important thing? There is nothing important
in front
of my rooms. No, this is an important thing for me because I got that money after a long day hard work. No, this is not important. This is not important for me. This is important only for you because I am the richest person in the world. I am very powerful. I can bought yourself also with the power of my money. The farmer said, Your Majesty, this is very on me. This is my
Request. Hardcore money.
it is my hardcore money. So please let me take it from this side. Oh, you are just make me irritate. Now just let it go. Just forget that money. I will give you 100 gold coins in the return of that coin. No, I don't want to let it go because it is my hard-earned money. I can't forget it. I will give you capital punishment because of your this nonsense. Just let it go now. I will give you 500 gold coins in the return of that money. What is the big deal? You can forget it, and I will giving you. No, please, just let me take it because it is my
Hardcore.
hardcore money. The king said. The king become very angry, but he take words with शांति से काम कीजिए.
He took decision
He took decision thoughtfully. Okay. Now just see. I am going to give you my half state. In that state there is 12 villages. I am going to give you. Now just let it go. This is just a single rupee. What is the big deal? You are making me irritate. I will kill you. Okay. Now I am agree. You will give me 12 villages and I will forget that money. Okay. Now you just tell me. From which side do you want to take 12 villages? This side, this side, this side and this side. Your Majesty, I want your 12 villages from this side. But why? Why do you want only this side? There is so many villages. There is so many villages I have. You can go there. There is lots of mammals and there is lots of work for you. You can do and you can earn best money. No, I can't take this way because there is something important for me. There is something important work for me. Oh, just tell me what is there? What is there? Why are you on this place only? My Majesty, there is my 1 rupee. 1 rupee which is buried under the garden. And that is why I want to take that place. And the queen came and said to his king, my dear king, I tell you that there is nothing important in front of honesty. And honesty is only the thing which is not buyable, and nobody can buy that honesty because this is the great wealth of everybody's life. Oh, just take this. I fail to buy your honesty with my money. Now I feel very bad. So by this story, I want to tell you that honesty is the greatest wealth of your life. And just be happy, be honest and live happily in your life. Thank you so much.